In today's episode, we're diving deep into the strategies, secrets, and mindset shifts you need to transform your financial future. Get ready as we explore the untold truth about money. Far too many people lack basic knowledge about money and how it functions. Regrettably, there is a common misconception among many individuals that wealth is acquired through inheritance, the backing of a wealthy family, sheer luck, greed, or fraudulent means. The school systems around the world prioritize training employees rather than fostering entrepreneurship. Starting your own business, investing, and pursuing financial freedom is often perceived as a risky endeavor. Going to college and working a job for 40 years is often considered a secure choice. Many individuals believe that it is necessary to put in a significant amount of effort in order to earn a steady income and save for retirement over a long period of time. Not many people pause to consider the origins of jobs and products or the individuals responsible for their creation. The individuals who benefit financially from offering goods, services, and technology that are widely utilized are the makers, builders, capitalists, investors, and entrepreneurs. One of the most significant ways to achieve wealth is by freeing yourself from the direct correlation between your time and money. Discovering methods to generate income through leverage is crucial for achieving financial prosperity. You are recognized and compensated in the marketplace based on the value you bring. Money is generated through your work, whether it's from a job or the services you offer through a business. Millionaires are formed by generating millions of dollars in value in the marketplace. Many billionaires amass their wealth by establishing and growing businesses that are valued in the billions of dollars. The 3 laws of building wealth. Solve an existing problem in the world. People are willing to invest in finding solutions to their problems. If a customer is feeling hungry, they will be willing to pay for food. If they find themselves feeling uninterested, they may choose to invest in some form of entertainment. If something goes wrong, they will cover the cost of fixing it. The more people you can help with a significant problem, the higher your potential earnings will be. When examining the largest companies, it becomes clear that their success can be attributed to their ability to address industry challenges. Google has simplified the process of searching the internet. Apple has managed to place a powerful computer in the hands of every individual, effectively addressing numerous communication challenges. Amazon revolutionized the retail industry by providing a convenient solution to shop from the comfort of your own home, eliminating the need to visit physical stores. There's no need to aim to create the next big cap company. Simply focus on solving a problem that you've identified. Your compensation will be based on the quality of your solution and your ability to scale it. Free your income from being time-bound. If your income is dependent on the hours you work, it will be difficult to accumulate significant wealth. It's important to distinguish between your income-generating capacity and the hours you put into work. Individuals with significant wealth do not trade their time for income by working for someone else. Successful individuals invest in the services of others to help bring their business ideas to life. Successful individuals dedicate their time to creating value in their businesses and generating income from their assets. They focus on increasing the worth of their investments rather than relying solely on a salary. Scale your idea. Once you have a solution to a problem, it's important to expand your efforts. The software has the remarkable ability to be scaled indefinitely and sold repeatedly without requiring additional effort or time. This is one of the key factors that contributed to Microsoft's immense success as a company. Earning royalties from a book allows you to generate income even when you're not actively working, since the majority of the effort is put in during the initial creation process. Acquiring knowledge to solve a problem can be easily achieved through an e-course or a YouTube video. One effective approach to scaling is by establishing a business where your employees are dedicated to resolving your customers' issues. How to build wealth from nothing. Investing your savings from paycheck to build wealth is not accurate. It's a fact that the majority of individuals won't achieve financial abundance or create genuine wealth by adhering to the conventional route of working a 9-to-5 job until retirement. Have you ever considered investing a portion of your paycheck into mutual funds, bonds, and growth stocks? It could be a smart financial move. Indeed, there is a possibility of making a profitable investment by timing the market or gradually investing over time, which could potentially result in doubling or tripling your initial investment. It's possible to make purchases at low prices and sell at high prices. Congratulations on tripling your initial investment by the time you retire at 65 years old. This assumes that the stock market is performing favorably. It is common for individuals to invest their savings and leave their retirement funds untouched, regardless of market fluctuations. In addition, there are individuals who tend to sell their stocks when prices hit rock bottom during an economic downturn, only to buy them back at inflated prices once the economy starts to recover. Patience and long-term perspective. Developing wealth takes time and to focus on the future. It's common for the path to financial success to have its ups and downs, with setbacks being a natural part of the journey. It's crucial to stay focused on your goals, be flexible in the face of change, and remain dedicated to the journey of building wealth. Investing with a long-term perspective is an essential principle for creating wealth. While the appeal of making fast profits may be enticing, savvy investors recognize the significance of compounding and the advantages of maintaining investments for a prolonged duration. Consistent and disciplined investing, even with small amounts, can lead to substantial returns over time. Create a budget. Creating a budget is an essential part of smart financial goal setting. It's important to keep in mind that your ultimate objective and the small actionable steps you take to reach it are two separate things. A budget is a well-thought-out strategy for effectively managing your income and expenses, usually on a monthly basis. By analyzing your income and expenses, you can determine the amount of money you have remaining each month that can be used for discretionary purposes. You can allocate extra funds towards your financial objective, whether it's reducing a significant debt or boosting your savings. To get rich, become an entrepreneur and start a business. It's clear that individuals who amass significant wealth achieve this by addressing challenges, showcasing exceptional abilities, or introducing groundbreaking ideas. They establish a brand and take advantage of opportunities. But simply, unless you possess exceptional talent in music, sports, or entertainment, the path to genuine wealth lies in becoming an entrepreneur and establishing your own business. Consider the numerous multi-million-dollar companies like Apple, Amazon, and Twitter, all of which offer value to their audience. In addition, they have achieved their current status by establishing and developing their brand. Take Apple, for example. They have a knack for pricing their products higher than the competition, yet people still eagerly wait in line to purchase them. Why? Well, it's because Apple has built a solid reputation for offering cutting-edge technology, user-friendly interfaces, and top-notch quality. I'm not suggesting that you have to create the next groundbreaking company. I'm sorry, but that's not the case. Actually, there are numerous small businesses and entrepreneurs who generate 6- or 7-figure incomes every year. All of them share the common trait of providing value to their intended audience. Going into business for yourself opens up more doors and increases your chances of getting rich. Being an entrepreneur can open up doors for you that you would never get if you worked a 9-to-5 job. People will join your network and naturally turn interactions into more opportunities if you offer a service or product that people want. Think about the times in your life when opportunities just popped up out of nowhere, whether you were working hard or it was just luck. Someone you used to work with or be friends with might have run into you at a cafe and later became your business partner or even your romantic partner. You might have been at the right job fair at the right time, and a recruiter saw your potential and gave you the job of your dreams. People like us come across these chances every day that could change the course of our lives and our future. Setting yourself up for more of these chances is what it takes to become an entrepreneur and build a business. And all it takes is one chance to get your business and life going in the right direction. Networking and relationship building. Many people fail to recognize the true value of establishing a robust professional network when it comes to building wealth. Networking opens doors to valuable resources, opportunities, and mentorship. Participate in industry events, become a member of professional organizations, and connect with individuals who share your interests to broaden your network. Mentorship has the potential to greatly accelerate both personal and financial growth. Gaining knowledge from individuals who have effectively achieved financial success can offer valuable insights, guidance, and important lessons. Find mentors who share your goals and are open to sharing their knowledge and experiences. Let go of limiting beliefs. Most of us have to work at having an abundance mindset, which means we believe there are enough resources and opportunities for everyone. People who didn't have a lot of money or resources as kids will feel this even more. A study from Purdue University found that many of our money habits are formed by the time we are 7 years old. In other words, how people around us talk or act around money has a big effect on how we feel about it. If you don't have enough money or the tools to make it as a child, or if you think there aren't enough tools, or if you see people around you living from paycheck to paycheck, you might think that only a few people are rich. In some ways, you're also right. A lot of the institutions and systems we use to get rich were made to keep people poor from getting out of the poverty America kept them in. If you feel like you belong to one of these groups, it may naturally change the way you think. It takes more work to believe in plenty when you don't see it. Increase your income exponentially. It's not easy to build a business, but if you keep putting time and money into it and do the right things, you will see results in the end. In addition, you will have a better chance of making a lot more money, which you can't do with a 9-to-5 job. Growing your income quickly is a key part of getting rich because money buys you time and freedom. This is true whether you decide to sell your business or get a big sponsorship offer. Indeed, if you have enough cash, you can live off of interest alone. For example, if you invest $1 million and earn 4% interest each year, you will get $40,000. Depending on how you live, this might not be enough for most people, but for some, it's more than they make in a year at a job, and you make it by just leaving money in your savings account. Emergency fund and debt management. A savings account for emergencies is a way to protect your money in case you need to pay for something unexpected. A very important step toward financial security is setting up an emergency fund. It protects you from going into debt in case of unplanned events like medical emergencies, car repairs, or losing your job. When it comes to building wealth, managing and lowering debt is very important. Credit card balances and other debts with high interest rates can add up quickly and get in the way of your financial progress. Pay off debts with high interest rates first, and then make the minimum payments on other debts. As soon as you pay off your high interest debts, put the money you saved into savings and investments. Understand that a high income is not enough. One common misconception is that a high salary guarantees long-term wealth. In all likelihood, it won't. Creating wealth necessitates a deliberate approach to handling your expenses, as well as making investments. As time goes on, the value of money decreases due to inflation, which is the rise in prices of goods and services. Building wealth, then, involves making investments in various avenues, such as the stock market, real estate, or a business. It's not only about the amount you earn, but also about the amount you manage to save. Controlling expenses is crucial, regardless of income level. It is crucial to track your spending and budget effectively and differentiate between needs and wants. This structured approach guarantees that a substantial part of your earnings can be allocated towards activities that help you build wealth. Prior to delving into investments, it is prudent to set up an emergency fund. A typical financial safety net usually includes enough funds to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This cushion provides a safety net against unexpected events like losing your job or facing medical emergencies, helping you avoid tapping into your investments prematurely. It's risky to concentrate all your resources in one place. Spreading out your investments across different types of assets can help reduce risk and increase the potential for higher returns. Investment options can range from stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, to alternative investments like precious metals and cryptocurrencies. It is important to find a balance between risk and returns that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial objectives. Assessing and managing risk requires a clear understanding of the volatility and potential downside of each investment. It is important to diversify your portfolio appropriately and regularly review it to make any necessary adjustments. Investing in education and skill development. Investing in yourself through education and skill development is a crucial aspect of building wealth. Acquiring new skills and knowledge can greatly improve your marketability and open doors to higher paying opportunities. Continuous learning is essential for both improving your income and staying prepared in a fast-evolving job market. It would be beneficial for you to explore educational and training opportunities that are in line with your personal interests and long-term career objectives. There are various options available, such as attaining a new certification, participating in online courses, or attending workshops. Investing in yourself can greatly improve your ability to adapt to new challenges and take advantage of financial growth opportunities. If you found today's video valuable, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching!